Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuse to check in case power mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. The fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin just next to the passenger's right foot, just behind this black cover. So first thing to do, you want to remove the cover by pulling it towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. To remove this one, you will have two black tabs, one here and one on the opposite side. On top of the cover you have a small fuse diagram, and on the other side you have a fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 12, which is a 5 amp fuse located up here. Now in case this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to check the power mirror switch, and then you want to check the wiring, especially the wires on the driver door jamb behind the rubber sleeve. From my experience, quite often just from opening and closing the door, those wires will get damaged there, and that could cause your power mirrors not to work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.